Turmeric is a natural antibiotic superfood that contains a compound known as curcumin. This beneficial component has the ability to get absorbed in the fat and tissues of our body and has been found to be the reason behind most of the health benefits that we can get from turmeric. How to make turmeric milk. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 small piece of grated fresh ginger or 1/2 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 pinch of ground black pepper, 1/2 cup of unsweetened milk of your choice, 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. Simply mix all ingredients in a small saucepan and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for about 10 minutes. Strain the drink into mugs and top with a pinch of cinnamon. What are the benefits of consuming turmeric milk? Fights inflammation and joint pain. Turmeric's active component curcumin can help fight inflammatory problems and joint pain. It is beneficial for people suffering from arthritis and similar ailments. Aside from this, the milk also plays a role in strengthening the bones. We can also try a cold version of turmeric milk by pouring the regular turmeric milk into the blender and adding 1 to 2 ice cubes into it. Blend it well. May help lower blood sugar levels. The ingredients in turmeric milk, cinnamon and ginger, may help lower blood sugar levels. Several studies have linked cinnamon intake to reduced insulin resistance and lowered fasting blood sugar levels. Meanwhile, adding small amounts of ginger to our diet may help lower fasting blood sugar levels by up to 12%, according to a study. Remedy for cough and cold. Turmeric milk possesses antiviral and antibacterial properties, thus making it an effective remedy for cough and cold as well as a sore throat. Having warm turmeric milk increases the mucus production, which flushes out the microbes from the respiratory tract. Helps improve digestive problems. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric milk may help us in managing different digestive problems. We can lower our risk of heartburn, bloating, diarrhea, gastrointestinal infections, and stomach ulcers by drinking the beverage. May protect against heart disease. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death. Thanks to the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties present in turmeric, as they may play a huge role in protecting us against heart diseases. According to a study, curcumin may improve the function of our blood vessel linings, known as endothelial function. Proper endothelial function is important for a healthy heart. Restful sleep. People who get restless during sleep may benefit from drinking turmeric milk, since it produces amino acid, tryptophan. Having it warm at night before bed can help a person relax, calm the mood, and have an undisturbed sleep all night. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.